public service broadcasting in India. So who is the public service broadcaster in India? So yes, All India Radio, AIR, is the public service broadcaster in India. So All India Radio, India's public service broadcaster, the radio vertical of Prasar Bharati has been serving to inform, educate and entertain its audience since its inception. And it has a motto that is Behujan Hidayam Behujan Sukhaya. And one of the largest broadcasting organizations in the world in terms of the number of languages of broadcast and the spectrum of socio-economic and cultural diversity it serves. AIR's home service comprises of 470 broadcasting centers located across the country, covering nearly 92% of the country's area and 99.19% of total population. Just imagine the coverage All India Radio gets. Okay, terrestrially. Okay, and AIR originates programming in 23 languages and 179 dialects. Okay, such a big number. Okay, so public service broadcasting. Okay, so All India Radio. So the motto, we have discussed already about the motto, that is Behujan Hidaya, Behujan Sukhya, which means to provide information, education and entertainment for promoting the welfare and happiness of the masses. Okay, so that is the meaning of Behujan Hidaya, Behujan Sukhya. Next is objectives of AIR. So you have already studied the objectives of Prasar Bharati. It is like similar. I told you it's just it's part of Prasar Bharati. Okay, so so Prasar Bharati has two wings. One is AIR and another one is Doordarshan. So the first one, uphold the unity of the country and the democratic values enshrined in the Constitution. Second, and present a very fair and balanced flow of information of national, regional, local, and international interest. Then promote the interests and concerns of the entire nation. Then produce and transmit varied programs designed to awaken, inform, enlighten, educate, entertain, and encourage all sections of the people. And produce and transmit programs relating to developmental activities in all their facets, including extension work in agriculture, education, health, and family welfare. Serve the rural, illiterate, and underprivileged population. Then promote social justice and combat exploitation. Serve the rural population, minority communities, women, children, illiterate. Promote national integration. So we have discussed all these things in the objectives of Prasar Bharati. It's the same thing. Okay. Now about All India Radio. So Director General All India Radio is responsible for the overall administration of the entire Akashvani network, consisting of 419 stations, 608 broadcast transmitters. Okay, so here I've written 145 are medium wave and 415 frequency modulation FM, and 48 SW transmitters. So that is short wave. Okay, so I think in the last class I've mentioned about this short wave, medium wave, and FM, and also you are quite familiar with that. I don't have to explain it again. Okay, so this is like now we will discuss the structure of All India Radio. So yes, so organizational structure. So it has a program wing. So what is a program wing? Yes, the Director General is assisted by additional Directors General, that is ADG, in the headquarters and in the region. So the headquarters of the regions, ADGs, are Bhubaneswar, Kolkata, Mumbai, Lucknow, Bhopal, Guwahati, Aizawl, Chennai, Chandigarh, and Delhi. And there is an engineering wing. Okay, so engineering wing, again they have like headquarters and also the zonal offices. Yes. And next is an administrative wing. So they check the administration, finance, related to the All India Radio. Then there is a security wing. So security wing setup, that security setup comprises of a deputy director general, assistant director, and a deputy director. They handle matters of security and safety of AAR's installations, transmitters, studios, offices, etc. So the security needs of Doordarshan are also looked after by these officers. Okay. And news service division. So obviously, you know that the news service division works round the clock and broadcast over 647 news bulletins, both in the home and the external services. Okay, and there are 44 regional news units. Next is audience research wing. As the name suggests, it does the survey part, the research part of the All India Radio. Okay. Uh, Next, you have an external service division. So, external service division. So, the external service division of All India Radio broadcasts in 27 languages, 16 foreign language, and 11 Indian languages. And these services are radiated for the aggregate duration of 72 hours daily and are projected to over 100 countries. So, I told you this is so. If you take any public broadcaster, the famous or the popular radio services in the world, you can find AAR radio in the first five, along with BBC and um, other world services. Okay, because we have huge coverage and we have a very good external service. Okay. Next is transcription and program exchange service. So this service looks after the exchange of programs among stations, building and maintenance of sound archives, and commercial release of prestigious recordings of music masters, etc. And research department, I told you research department. So we have already mentioned that. So they conduct different, research related, especially trials on all India Radio. And there is a staff training institute. Okay, so the staff training institute, so they impart in service training to program personnel and administrative staff, induction courses for newly recruited staff, and short term refreshment course for uh, for the employees. It also conducts examinations for administrative staff. So say they do all kind of this staff training related stuff. Okay. And AAR follow a three-tier broadcasting system, and it is very important. Okay, you always get questions related to this for your university exams. Okay, so AAR strictly follow a three-tier broadcasting system. Okay, so the three levels of programs AAR has. That's one is national, regional, and local. So each having distinct audience. Okay, so national programs are broadcast from Delhi for relay by the capital, regional, and local radio stations. Some of these are the national program of talks and features in Hindi and English, and the national programs of drama and music. And the national channel of All India Radio is located in Delhi, broadcast programs which are heard on medium wave and also on short wave. Okay. Um, Next is the regional stations. Okay, if you take the regional stations, it has in different states you have these, you can find these regional stations, and you can say they are the middle tier. Okay, so you have the first, then the middle tier. Okay, so obviously they originate programs in the regional languages and dialects. Okay, and 116 regional channels are spread over 29 states and 6 union territories, including the northeastern service at Shillong that projects the vibrant cultural heritage of northeastern region of this country. Okay. Next is the local radio, that is relatively a newer concept of broadcasting in India. Local radio stations serve small communities, okay, showcase local culture, broadcast area specific programs for the benefit of that particular community. So that's usually they conduct in an FM mode. You don't have to use an AM mode for that, because AM, it covers a large area, and FM, a small area, but very clear. The audio quality is good, and you don't usually feel any disturbance any disturbances. Okay. So AAR at a glance. So AAR has 419 broadcasting centers. And if you take the services of AAR, you can see that AAR has, we have already mentioned that, okay, AAR has an external service division, okay, and that ranks high amongst the overseas radio networks of the world, both in reach and range, by originating 55 transmissions daily and of almost 72 hours covering over 100 countries in 27 languages, 15 foreign and 12 Indian. Okay. And AAR also has FM services like AAR runs FM Rainbow and FM Gold channels. You are familiar with FM Rainbow and FM Gold channels. And there are 25 FM radio channels and 5 FM Gold channels originating from 23 cities. So AIR launched its FM channel on 1st February 1993 when radio listening was on a decline, especially in big cities. Okay, a noise-free FM transmission effectively captured its audiences, especially the youth. You know the popularity of FM stations right now because it has, like, you can probably, like, it's actually improved the declining of radio in our country, in our, especially in our society. And the concept of announcer was replaced by radio jockey and primarily film music based entertainment, with a fast paced and informal presentation style gained popularity with the new listener profile, right? The radio jockey, the radio announcer is kind of very old fashioned and all, but radio jockey is new and stylish and all that stuff, so people accepted that as well. Okay. And FM Gold channel, which came on air on 1st September 2001, provides round-the-clock service and presents popular film music in its distinctive style while keeping its listeners updated with current affairs and news of the hour. Okay, and next is with another service. So first we have discussed about the external service division of AAR. Next is the FM service. Then Vividh Bharati. Vividh Bharati we have already discussed in the last class. Okay, Vividh Bharati was conceptualized in 1957 to meet the competition offered by the Radio Ceylon, and it established itself as a popular channel in the country. So today the service provides entertainment for 15 to 17 hours from its 41 centers with a mix of music and film based content, skits, short plays and interactive program. Okay, and even the service is web streamed and also available on the web FM transmitter network for wide access. And next services of this AAR is archive services. So AAIR preserves the cultural and intellectual wealth of the country in its archives. So if you see DD and AAR, you can find this kind of very nice recordings of eminent musicians and political figures, intellectuals, leaders, statesmen, and luminaries in various walks of life, and is an important national resource for historians, scholars, music enthusiasts, and others. So AAR releases rare archival recordings from time to time for public access. So that is a very good service of AAR. Okay, and AAR has made it possible for Indians to tune in Gandhiji's famous prayer meeting addresses, thereby increasing the number of Gandhiji's listeners by 4 or 5 million overnight. So just imagine, so all this. So their archive services are really good. Okay. Next, it has a new service division. Just now we informed about just now we just read about heard about this new service division. So news and commentaries for listeners in India and abroad, from 27 news bulletins in 1939-40, AER has put more than 510 bulletins daily and a duration of approximately 52 hours in 82 languages or dialects. So just imagine, like, how much they are actually, especially the news telecast, sorry, broadcast, okay. And technical services, yes. So technical services are the backbone of AER network. All India Radio plans, designs, install, operates, and maintains studios, transmitters, and allied technical services through in-house expertise. So these are all the services now available with AER. Okay. And so these are the list of the stations available. AER stations, okay. Full-fledged stations 219, local radio stations 87, stations with studios 127, community radio 5, relay centers 200, AER stations with FM 386, Vivid Bharati centers 47, and centers for external service 11, and recording only studio 1. And this is the coverage, okay. Medium wave coverage, medium wave plus FM, and medium wave coverage and FM. So these are all technical things. You don't have to worry about all these things. This is just for your information. Okay. So that is all about the FM wave of All India Radio and the FM wave in our country. So please go through the video, and hope you learn the basics of FM, and the services provided by the AER and the structure of AER. So if you have any questions, you can you can ask me. You can text me in and you can ask in the Moodle forum, and also in our live classes. So thank you so much. So thank you.